let's check the spark.
There's definitely compression. It sounds.
Yeah. No. Why am I still not getting the spark? No, I don't want to get shocked. Go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, I got a spark. All right. Ooh,
Now we just need
man,
fuel.
that's really hard for a couple of millennials.
What do you think we're gonna put in the carb that isn't fuel?
I mean, I had a lid on it the whole time. Oh, so you can see right there is our level, our fuel level. So, let me bring this down here. So there's fuel. See that?
Ooh, that is gross.
There we go.
Oh yeah, cleaned up.
Unless that's water. Yeah, I hate that.
You do?
Yeah. Boy, I think that's fuel. Doesn't it look like it?
That's gas.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it feels. I can feel it. I can smell it. It's gas.
All right. So
These are
now
gas.
we just gotta, we'll get it rolling over and we'll pump that through.
That was so stiff I can't tell what the barb is. Let's put it on the bottom.
One last thing, this, like the carb linkage seems loose, but the governor kind of does not seem loose. And I don't know if that'll change when we start it up, but.
You got spark?
Sure did.
You can file the points?
Yep. Coil's good.
Looks big. Yeah, you should be ready.
Yeah, we got gasoline at
At the pump, it might take a minute to fill up the carb, but we'll see.
Well, we can always get some ether. Gotta have ether in the video.
Whoops.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Must not be getting fuel.